do not upload any videos that mention a length and a time. I mean, 2,500 GMV and to get an espresso, that's freaking awesome.
These are strong ones right now as well that are kind of climbing really quickly in views. I'm testing out this new skit style, and every video I have posted like this is getting crazy watch time. I want you guys to notice these videos that are converting, they're really, really simple, where you just wear something shiny or blingy, and it's almost like people have like shiny object syndrome and they watch your video a little bit longer because it like catches the eye.
Before we watch through these videos, I just want to give everyone a note. Force Factor feels very, very strongly about we need to make sure we are never giving basically the promise of your hair will grow 5 inches by spring break or 4 inches by, I know our very first call, we showed y'all some videos as examples, but as of about 2 weeks ago, Force Factor has said, do not upload any videos that mention a length and a time, okay? Because they've been clinically studied. Lustriva has been clinically studied, but not to where you can say 5 inches by blank, okay? So something to note going forward, we do have creators that have made content with that before. So just going forward, please make sure you do not do that. So we're gonna go through all of these videos we're about to show you were approved by Force Factor, okay? So these are all things that you can copy and emulate.
Yes, these are strong ones right now as well that are kind of climbing really quickly in views and starting to convert. Some of them are pretty newly posted. So let's check this one out. We got Mel's video, who's making some sales on this video. This one's fun. It's like a storytelling type of video.
I was talking to my friend who's a hairstylist who's not on TikTok, and she comes to me for like trending kind of things. And she said, dude, is Lustriva like trending or something on TikTok? And I was like, actually, yeah, why? She goes, I've had so many clients come in that their hair is like completely different, very improved from when I saw them like 2 months ago or 3 months ago. And she said, they all have one thing in common. I asked them like, what are you doing different? And they all say they're taking some sort of Lustriva. And I was like, yep, that makes sense. It's all over TikTok. So you can get Lustriva. I've never seen it in a pill form, but there's liquid multivitamins with it. But I always forget to take those. I put it in my fridge and then it takes up room in my fridge. These freaking chews from Force Factor, they're like candy, okay? It's like a now and later S-burst kind of thing. They come in a bag of 60 and they're mixed berry flavor. You can get either one bag or you can get the 2-bag bundle so you have a 2-month supply. And they're very, very affordable considering most hair growth supplements are like crazy expensive. So they're on sale right now. They even have a free gift for some of their listings. So I'll tag it below and let me know what you think.
Super simple, like hairstylist story type hook. And she really just sells Lustriva. Like that should really be the goal of your videos, is selling people on the fact that they need to start taking Lustriva for their hair growth, and then tell them that the chews are like the best, tastiest way to get Lustriva that you've found. So super effective.
I just want to give you guys like kind of a helpful tip hint thing, and I came up with this idea because I was looking at another Force Factor video that was super viral, had a ton of comments, and I saw a hairstylist comment and she said like several of my clients are taking these and they had a noticeable difference. So I kind of spun that into like, okay, how can I like use expert framework and talk about a stylist when like I'm not a hairstylist? So it's funny watching that back now. I'm like, oh my God, I had so many pauses. I had so many ums, but this video is actually converting. So don't be afraid to like look at comments of like in viral videos, like what are questions that people are asking? What are you seeing in the comments? And that's kind of was what sparked the inspiration for this video.
That you mentioned like how this is converting, but you're noticing like pauses and ums. I don't know if you guys are realizing, just kind of pay attention to your FYP right now, but social media is kind of taking a loop back around to more like cozy content, really authentic, like influencer type content where people really are just talking in real time. And it's not as much of the like super fast jump cuts, words overlapping as it was like 2 months ago when that was like the big thing for a while. Now, like people are taking breaths, they are pausing, and we're still watching it because it feels like more authentic. So I'm not going to say go crazy with the pauses by any means because that is an opportunity to scroll, but don't feel like if you speak at a good pace, don't feel like you need to cut out every tiny little breath and every millisecond pause to be like overlapping like we used to do. It just feels more natural and people are wanting to feel more connected, like they're watching a real person talk. So, this video I posted like 48 hours ago or something, and it jumped to like 100K views really fast. Got a couple sales on it. I'm hoping that it's gonna keep rolling, but the watch time is insane. It's like 13 seconds. I haven't seen a lot of skit style content with Force Factor yet, so if you guys have another person to kind of do some skits with, give it a try. So I've been secretly giving my husband these gummies for the past like month and a half.
What'd you say? You've been giving me gummies?
I didn't know you were in there.
What do you mean? What are you talking about?
These gummies.
Okay,
You know,
what are they though?
the candies you've been eating.
What is this? Hair growth accelerator?
Yeah, they're just the candies
Dude,
I've been
what?
giving you every night.
I went from getting haircuts every month to every 2 weeks now, and this is probably why.
Yeah, yeah.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm serious. I'm sorry.
No,
These have Listriva.
Are those the
and I
candies you
knew
give me every morning?
Yes, I knew you.
Wait, my mind is blown. Are you kidding me?
I knew you wouldn't take them consistently if I told you they were vitamins.
So you just give them to me secretly?
Yes, I just tell you that they're candy and you've been eating them and you're seeing a difference in your hairline. Come here.
Okay, yeah.
This is crazy. Okay.
You're filming this?
Don't
Yeah,
you see
okay.
a difference?
I do actually. This used to be my most self-conscious area in my hair, and it's starting to fill in.
Yeah, it's a lot thicker.
Yeah.
It's literally this. Okay, listen, the reason I got these is because Nina Poole made a video about how Listriva helps your hair get thicker, fuller, and grow faster. Yeah, you get results in
These things taste amazing.
You see results in as little as 3 weeks.
Oh, wow. Well, I love these things. Actually, keep buying them.
Yeah,
That's
and you
crazy.
thought they were candy this whole freaking time. You didn't even
They
know
taste
they were
amazing. I
working.
love my little morning candies.
Sorry for slipping you gummies.
Okay.
I'll put the link right here. Okay, so skits are just a really fun way to like slip in benefits without people realizing that you're hearing benefits. Like if you guys noticed, my husband said I went from getting 1 haircut a day or 1 haircut a month to having to get 2 haircuts every month. Little things like that that kind of give like say, you know, your hair is growing really fast without like having to directly say it all the time. I'm testing out this new skit style and every video I have posted like this is getting crazy watch time. So like doing a skit but having the camera only on one person, and it makes it feel like it's an authentic interaction. Like that person just walked in to your video and now you're just interacting with them and it wasn't planned. Give that a try if you do skits because this like new style is doing great for me and I'm definitely going to keep doing it. And I don't see a lot of it. So obviously starting out with like the conflict, the hook was like I've been slipping my husband these gummies and he's like, what? And then we kind of like banter about it. The secret interaction type filming. And then we talk about how his hair looks thicker and it's obviously growing faster. So have some fun with these videos. We made like 10 of those one day and we just had a lot of fun doing it.
TikTok Shop affiliates, here's how to get paid a flat rate for the videos that you're already posting, plus your normal commissions. With the Brands Meet Creators platform, you get access to pre-approved brand listings. No negotiations, no back and forth, just request a sample, post, and earn a flat fee, plus your commissions. And it's completely free to join. Tap below to explore the available listings and see how much you could get paid per post.
Here we go.
Do not buy these hair growth accelerator soft chews from Force Factor unless you're checking if you have the secret coupon. Literally click that or shopping cart below and just check your coupons. A lot of people are getting this on a massive sale today. Plus, you're already getting this on sale today. When you get the 2-pack, you're getting an even better deal. And if you see that coupon, you can literally stack that on top of that. You guys, these are so freaking delicious. They are viral for a reason. And literally that's because these work so freaking good and they have Lustriva in them, which is basically that one ingredient that you're going to want in a hair growth supplement to actually make your hair grow. Plus, these literally taste like candy. Like, I look forward to eating these every day. Hurry though, because the sale on this does end soon, especially if you see that coupon. Literally run. I'm going to put the link below for you.
I want you guys to notice these videos that are converting, they're really, really simple. So I loved this one for the visual hook. Even just getting a little bit creative
Do
and
not buy
different.
these hair growth accelerator.
Literally just pouring it into like a fun container or a fun glass is really interesting, and the sound it makes, the visual, it just makes you watch for at least like 4 to 5 seconds just to kind of hear what that is and what's going on in the video before you get the scroll. So give that a try. Just get a fun glass, fun cup, jar, whatever, and pour it in. Get creative with like taking the gummies out of the package, because I feel like a lot of content that I'm seeing that isn't converting is like pretty much just showing the package before we even see the gummies. Or like last time we were showing people that were like stretching the gummies, kind of like I was in my video. That's a really strong visual hook too. So if you can, try to avoid just like flashing that packaging at the beginning and show the gummies instead. This creator really pushes the sale and the coupon. There is a coupon on it right now that some people have. It's like an 8% coupon or something. So check and see if you're seeing that, and then you can definitely push that in your CTA. People love coupons. And she mentions the bundle as well. So really pushing the value and the sale. She didn't go as hard on Lustriva. Alrighty, this, Mel, I'm wondering if this was the video that you saw that your comment was from. I don't know, maybe a lot of people are doing this like hairstylist take, but here we go.
No one told me that this was going to stop me in my tracks. I sat down in my stylist chair last week and she shocked me because she kept asking me, what have you been doing different? Your hair feels so much thicker now. Kid you not, she said it at least 10 times. And before anybody jumps in, I'm not making any medical claims. This was simply her observation. All I've been doing is taking these Force Factor hair chews consistently. And these literally taste like candy, which means I never skip. And even at full price, they are still cheaper than that liquid multivitamin that you guys are always going nutso over. They have Lustriva in them, which Nina Poole literally recommended. If you don't know who Nina Poole is, where have you been? Lustriva is clinically studied to help promote thicker, fuller, healthier looking hair within just 3 weeks. If you're at the stage where your hair doesn't feel as full as it used to, then you know exactly why that comment mattered so much to me. I'll take thicker feeling hair and a confident stylist any day. Linked right there. You can read up on it and decide for yourself. But some are seeing a different price. Check to see what yours is.
Okay, so something I want to point out about this video, obviously it's a really basic framework. There's really nothing like crazy special or standout about this video at all. But what I do want to point out is there is like this technique going around that coaches are talking about where you just wear something shiny or blingy, and it's almost like people have like shiny object syndrome and they watch your video a little bit longer because it like catches the eye. So I noticed that she's like wearing a loud pattern. She has a sparkly necklace. She has a massive ring. Her nails have fun patterns on them. So even when you're just creating basic content, talking head content like this, I want you guys to think before you hit record, like, what interest can I add to myself physically that's going to make someone want to just look at me for a couple more seconds? I've been doing, you know, like some crazy headbands. I've been wearing like bright colored sweaters. I got these like massive glasses that I've been wearing in all my skincare videos that I take off in like the visual hook. Sometimes I'm using this like hair shower thing. So just think like, what can I put on myself? Some people are doing like face masks or like a loud necklace or something sparkly. It makes the video so much more interesting to watch. And then you might actually get comments about those things as well that kind of help with engagement bait.
I did the other day on a Nello video and it made 4 sales. If anybody has like, you know, like the lip balm that's like in a little pot, like I have nails, so I don't want to like dig my nails in. So I always like just use my knuckle and I just like put it in there and then I do this. And I was like, surely this is going to rage bait people. But I think it stops them to be like, wait, what is she doing? And sure enough, the video only has like 2,000, maybe 200, not very many views. And it's made like 3 or 4 sales. And it's just, I start the video being like, I always know when Nello, and I'm like doing this with my like chapstick. And I think it just like, I mean, Alyssa's right. Big glasses, something sparkly. something that's going to make somebody be like, wait, what is that? What are they doing? So
I'm watching content too that I think it all the time. Like I'm like, ooh, like that, those are cute glasses, or wow, that
yeah,
lip combo looks great, and then you're watching just because at that point, and you're
yeah.
not even really caring about the video. But the content of her video was also good. She was talking about how her hairstylist noticed that her hair was thicker and way different. Tastes like candy, so she never skips it. I think that's a big one that more people should talk about because a lot of people can't stay consistent with supplements, but when it's candy, you're gonna eat it every day and you're not gonna forget about it. Then she talks about how it's cheaper than the liquid. She's obviously talking about the Listriva Mary Ruth's, which is the top competitor for this product. So talking about, how this is more affordable than that crazy liquid form is a benefit that people will recognize and maybe click the link, especially if they're already taking the liquid one. And then I love her CTA. It's so soft. She's like, read up on this and decide for yourself if this is right for you because it's right for me. And I love that. It's like super not pushy and it makes me want to go, huh, so if I read up on it, I'm gonna probably find some pretty good benefits if she's encouraging me to look into it, Lots of good stuff about this video, even though it's so simple. That was the last of our videos. Mel, do we remember what our GMV was last time?
It was in the 6,000 range. And I said, guys, we can get this to 10,000. And you guys came through because we are at, dun dun dun,
Drum roll.
bam.
Woo!
Let's
Way
go.
to go, you guys. This is awesome.
Now,
Yeah, the goal was 10. We surpassed.
yeah, we did. I just want everybody here to know that, like, we see that there are a lot of people that are, like, posting and maybe you haven't popped off yet. But just remember that, especially if it's a new product that you're posting, like, sometimes it does take 10, 15, 20 times. But once you can get one video to convert, then you kind of know, like, all right, this is working on my page.
Great job, you guys. This was big win and big growth. We'll see you soon.
Bye, guys.